Okay. I might have some explaining to do. So, I went to Total Tools, which is a tool store near me, and I was going to look at TIG welders. And the TIG welder that I was going to get, it looked like it had been marked down from about $1,700 to about $1,000. So, yeah. Oh damn, that's heavy. So, this is my new Powercraft 210C MIG. See, it's not TIG, unfortunately, but this is a multi-process machine. It can weld MIG, stick, and TIG. Not all at the same time, but that would be cool. So, currently, I have this welder. This is a Powercraft 161 inverter DC stick welder, but I really wanted to get a TIG welder because TIG is just so freaking awesome and versatile. If you've been alive for more than, I don't know, 35 seconds, you'll know that you need argon gas for TIG welding. I guess you could use helium, but everyone uses argon. So that's what we have here, this decently sized bottle of argon. This is almost $500. As you can see, I've already chained it to my wall. Okay, here's the regulator that came with the machine. Yeah, of course, my freaking crescent wrench is too small. Okay, so don't do that. The regulator was completely open. Oof. So it was pretty confusing, but I finally got this TIG torch hooked up. Okay, YouTube, let's turn it on. Whoa. Volts. Okay, we are on stick welding. Oh. Okay. Oh, it only goes up to 200 amps, alright? MIG TIG. We'll go 90 volts. Amps. Oh, come on. I got 2 left gloves. Seriously. Oh. I didn't put the ground on. Okay, second attempt. Is the argon coming through? No, what? About the 50th attempt. Put the ground clamp on the other side. Further side. Let's try this again. Nothing has really changed. so the tungsten is destroyed. Maybe I'm not using enough gas? Oh. Good. I'm not sure what's wrong. It appears that my tungsten is melting, even though I'm on DC electrode negative. Okay, I'm sorry for all the noise. Someone's just using an angle grinder. But let's try MIG. After we know that I can't TIG weld. Okay, so I got it on the machine. Opening this. And then 10 liters a minute. Okay. Okay. So I forgot to put on the wire spool. I bought this 15 kilogram one. Okay, let's try. We got it. We got it. Put it on. And then this. That is hot. Damn. Alright, let's try again. Whoa, that's cool. We'll try again. The ground clamp's not on. Okay, that looks actually pretty good. Okay, so, see if you can see this. That was my first ever MIG weld, and that was my second. MIG is really freaking easy.